Hi guys, Primrose here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at my favorite succulent plant. This is my string of pearls and I can't believe how fast this plant can grow. Let me just capture it for you in a minute. So it's almost reaching down to the window ledge down there. It was just about 3 inches long, barely hanging outside the pot when I first got it. I think I have to bring it down now and cut those ones that are nearly reaching the windowsill. There is no better time to propagate it than now. And if you guys wanted to see the unboxing video of this plant when it first came to me, I will try to leave a link of that video for you to see how small it was and how much it has grown for the last 3 months. So far, I am very happy with this plant. It does not require any special care at all. If you're looking to get one of this to add to your houseplant collection, I recommend this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut those long ones off. That one too. Another one. This is the first time that I'll be propagating this plant, so I'm not sure if those can be propagated as well. So if you know, please let me know in the comment down below. So what I will do is I'm just gonna stick those stems back in the soil. Let's just stick it in there. Hopefully it will grow and add a bit more volume to that sparse space there at the base. Thank you so much guys for watching and I'll see you in the next. Take care. Bye.